All right, hello and welcome to the CA 1848 live demonstration of an AI bot creation development without any code. My name is Jeremy. I'm with CA 1848. Thank you for liking and subscribing the channel. In the channel notes, you'll see a link to our page with all of our socials and how you can book a call to get started with working with CA 1848 as your AI automation agency and consultant. Let me show you some stuff that we've been working on. Doing a screen share of Flow GPT, and I'm in the creation mode. You can create a general bot or you can create a character bot. Today we're going to work on a general bot, which is going to be more of a productivity type tool that can be used in a legal office or an attorney's office. And you can always go back and edit the name later, but you just select a name to begin with and then hit let's start. Let me switch the tab. Give me a moment. Wait for the to catch up. All right, so we should be sharing the studio tab now. If you guys are watching live, please give me a thumbs up in the chat that you can hear the audio and video is clear. And if you have any questions along the way, feel free to ask. We're currently doing a walkthrough of how to create or develop a no-code bot using the Flow GPT platform. So we're going to use, this is the platform we're going to use to create. When I'm creating a bot or a character bot, I also use Gemini and some other tools to create the content, such as the intro, the conversation, maybe even some data sets. And so I will go through. So you just have to have a general idea of what you would like to achieve. Let's say there's a problem you're trying to solve with an AI bot, or you're trying to create something for a business, like a communication, whether it's internal or external. And that's what's unique about creating these tools, is that everybody has their own way of doing things. And so they're all going to be unique when it comes to the information that's gathered and the information that's outputted based on the way that you develop it. And there's handfuls of platforms out there like Flow. This is just another platform where you can come in and create essentially create tools, productivity tools that can be used in business or in personal. I've created dozens of these, and they're absolutely game changers when it comes to getting things done. And so in previous videos, I've demonstrated some of the bots that we've created and how we can work together, whether that's you guys joining our program or working with us as your AI automation agency. CA1848 looks forward to working with you, whether that's developing your own bots like we're doing here now, or integrating other solutions like if you have Salesforce and you're looking for a consultant to help you develop your Dreamforce. That's a big topic right now because of the conference that's happening. We're available for that. So basically how that would work is you would consult with us and we would come in and help develop, optimize, and maintain your Dreamforce on the Salesforce platform. And that's just one example of what we're able to do as when we come in as your AI automation consultants, whether that's us developing internally or integrating and optimizing other solutions that you're using and leaning on us in our team to handle that for you, essentially, compared to hiring somebody internally or doing it yourself. So this is going to be essentially a tool that can be used by paralegals or inside of a busy attorney office to manage documents or even create documents. And this will eliminate a lot of the headaches when it comes to the human factor. And this is huge because if they can eliminate, if a legal office can eliminate human mistakes that are done while creating documents and also eliminate a lot of the time that's spent in that time can be optimized and spent elsewhere. And those energies and resources can be spent elsewhere compared to managing and creating documents within an office. So I'm going to open another tab here, and I'm going to lean on Gemini and ChatGPT to create some of the content. So right now, the next step is the bot intro. And if you go through each little section on Flow GPT, which is what we're looking at right now, you're going to see the little eye with the circle on each little section. So if you're not quite sure, you can just scroll over it and it will give you a description of what it's asking for. So here, the description is shown on your prompt card. A clear, informative, emerging description will help your prompt gain more traction. So this is asking us to fill in what the bot intro would be, okay? This is down here is asking us what the prompt's going to be. Down here, it's going to ask what the welcome message is going to be. This is the first message the user will see when they open the prompt. You can include instructions, intros, or just say hi to start the conversation. Be careful how you construct the welcome message, as it also affects the prompt's behavior and tone. So again, that will be the next section. And then we can add some tags that are already pre-selected by Flow GPT, such as dominance, anime and game, submissive, female, romantic, drama, male, cold, proactive, caring, right? So we can add some tags or some characteristics to the bot. And then we can select if we wanted to have it be sensitive content or not. So if we wanted to have it be PG or otherwise. So currently on default, it's set to no, but if we wanted to go to yes, we could just go ahead and toggle that over. And again, once you develop the bot, you can always go back and edit. But this is just, setting things up. And then down at the bottom, we can add a context, which is data sets. So we can create like a persona, and then we can import that in there. So that way it can gather information and use that as the character of the bot. And then if we go over here to the next little tab, we're able to create an image. There'll be we can import our own or lean on the platform to help create one for us. We're also able to add a voice output. So the answer can be outputted by voice, and there's a handful of different voice options here to choose from. Let me check the studio real quick, see if we have any questions, make sure everything's still running. Okay, let's get back over here to the studio. So we've asked ChatGPT to create a welcome message, and it has created this message. We're going to use Gemini to create a similar message and then determine which is the best to use.
Here's a professional welcome message for the chatbot. Welcome to the Document Creation and Management Assistant. I'm here to streamline your workflow by helping you draft, organize, and manage your legal documents. Simply provide the necessary details, and I'll guide you through the process. If you need any assistance along the way, don't hesitate to ask. Let's make your day a little easier. This should feel approachable, yet professional, for the internal legal team.
See, my connection is terribly slow today, so I do apologize. All right, looks like the Wi-Fi caught up. Copy this message, and then we're gonna see what Google Gemini gives us. I could also use I have a AI bot. It's an assistant writer tool. We could use that as well. It's one of our custom bots that we developed, but just for general purposes, since ChatGPT and Gemini is familiar to you guys, I'm going to use it just for comparison. And depending on your guys' feedback, I could potentially, as a third option, use our writer tool to see what kind of output we get, just to look at the differences on the different AI models and their output. And I just changed the spelling of this one. Let's see if ChatGPT changes its output. All right, so let's go back to ChatGPT, and we'll copy the prompt that I gave it, and then I do apologize. This is a terrible connection today. We are live. We're doing an AI bot creation demo, and I'm currently taking, I'm in the welcome message portion, and I've used ChatGPT to create a welcome message. Now I'm going to use Google Gemini to create the same message and see if it gives us a different output. And then we'll go ahead and move to the next step. So this is the first step in creating a bot on the Flow GPT platform. We're going to create a document management bot that can be used by legal teams to manage and create documents. Okay. It's kind of hard to work with this slow of a connection. We finished the first portion and created a welcome message for the document management bot that we're creating. I'm now going to take it from ChatGPT and put it into the Flow GPT Creation Studio. Stand by.